So Penn Station is the largest and busiest train station in the United States. It sees approximately 500,000 to 600,000 passengers daily.
I mean, you can't stop Penn Station. You're not stopping train traffic. The commuters are always going to be there. Long Island Railroad, New York City Transit, Amtrak, the subways, they're all running 24 hours a day.
Penn Station has long had a black eye for being old, decrepit, constant bad press, long overdue for a makeover.
What we really look for is best value in our partners. That doesn't necessarily mean lowest cost, quickest schedule. For us, it's about creating value. It's about optimizing our resources, keeping our customers safe, making sure that logistically we don't disrupt service. Having a partner like Skanska that knows how to execute around those types of logistical constraints was really important for us.
Skanska's project at Penn Station was to modernize the facility. The main corridor in Penn Station runs from 7th to 8th Avenue, right underneath 33rd Street. We doubled the width of that corridor, give the traveling public twice the amount of space to walk, and we raised the ceilings up to 18 feet. Some of the ceilings in that corridor were as low as 6.5 feet, so it was very cramped and dark before we started.
Penn Station was really a masterclass in logistics. Building anything in New York City is not easy, but we were able to keep the train station open, operational for the passengers. It would have been so much easier to just shut down the station for a period of time, do what we needed to do and leave. But we committed to keeping the station operational, which meant navigating around the passengers and working with the client to make that happen.
The main factor for the success on the project was the introduction of a shield. We built a completely secondary structure above the concourse with full life safety systems, including lighting, fire safety, sprinkler, all new signage, and PA systems to keep the commuters informed of the departures and arrivals and everything else that are going on in the station. And then we were able to work above that. That allowed us to do two things: to separate ourselves from the public for safety purposes. And the other thing that it did is it allowed us to work any hour of any day that we wanted to, which is really crucial for us to be able to meet that schedule.
We were able to leverage technology in a very precise and strategic way for this job. One thing that we really took advantage of was LIRR, taking point clouds of the existing spaces, which helped improve our understanding of the existing facilities.
But then 2 years later, when we took that shield down and peeled back the curtain and opened up the big space, the traveling public was just blown away.
If you were wearing a vest or hard hat and people could associate you with the project, then commuters were saying thank you for improving the station.
I have friends, family, and loved ones who commute through Penn Station every day, and they have for the last however many decades of their lives. And they are amazed at the changed presence of the station as a result of our work.
And at the end of the day, we took the roof off of Penn Station. We didn't disrupt one train, and we kept our customers safe while operating a 24/7 transportation hub in the middle of New York City that serves over 500,000 Long Island Railroad customers per day.